The MEGI dual fuel MAN B&W engines, a technical, operational, and low cost effective solution for ships fueled by gas. So, future fuels in today's reality, as we all know, it is the most important part of the moving and improving system of our shipping industry. The LNG reduces ship emissions, where a new LNG bunkering station will be built in the connection with this order. And other ships will also be allowed to access to the LNG. The very low gas price in the US is making it highly attractive to the investors in gas-powered ships. So the gas current price offers savings up to almost 50% in the fuel cost compared with the heavy fuel oil. A comparison with the marine gas oil, which is needed when ships operate in emission control areas. There are specific areas that are being controlled with this types of use of fuel. It makes the investment even more better. So to conclude, it is better, or it would make sense to use gas fuel in both operational scenarios.
It minimized operating costs with an upgraded MAN BMW MEGI. The upgraded MAN BMW MEGI as a two-stroke dual-fuel LNG engine improves one of the industry's most trusted platforms to deliver even a greater operational efficiency for large merchant marine vessels. The new engine builds upon many of the features that made by MEGI one of the most trusted names in the dual-fuel engine design. The simplified design, exceptionally low methane slip and key components upgrade improve reliability while it providing large degree of flexibility for meeting emissions regulations.
Built for low OPEX operating expenses, so perfect for new builds or retrofits. The MAN B&W MEGI minimizes operating costs by delivering the same industry-leading thermal efficiency no matter which fuel you are using. So this is a huge advantage, especially for containers vessels in a market where fuel prices are fluctuating and LNG carriers bunkering will become the norm. So because the MAN B&W MEGI it is a capex that is lowered as auxiliary equipment costs have been reduced. It is also the engine's installation is simplified. So also in addition, key components have been updated like to improve performance and deliver more environmentally friendly solution.
So, dual fuel operation requires the injection of both pilot fuel and gas fuel into the combustion chamber. So, why dual fuel? So, this system ensures the reliable ignition and outstanding combustion of gas and air mixtures with specific high performance. The gas is a low-cost fuel that ensures extremely efficient on engine performance, and also it reduces the nitrogen oxide emission. So, different types of valves are used for this purpose. Two are fitted for gas injection and two for pilot fuel. The auxiliary medium required for both fuel and gas operation is as follows. So, high pressure gas supply. So, why do we need a high pressure gas supply in dual injector system? So, the higher pressure allows the increase of the flow rate per unit area, thus permitting smaller and lighter injectors of faster actuation for enhanced injector shaping capabilities. So, next is the fuel oil supply or the pilot oil. So, in dual fuel combustion process, the ignition of the main fuel plays a crucial role on engine performance and emissions. In the present work, pilot fuel is used to ignite a gaseous methane air mixture. So next is the control oil supply for actuation of gas injection valves. The purpose of controlling fuel supply in system is to provide right amount of fuel in the combustion process. So the gas injection valve is shown in figure 8. So this valve complies with traditional design principles of the compact design. Gas is admitted to the gas injection valve through bores in the cylinder cover. To prevent a gas leakage between the cylinder cover or gas injection valve and the valve housing or the spindle guide, sealing rings made of temperature and gas resistant material have been installed. Any gas leakage through the gas sealings will be led through bores in the gas injection valve to space between the inner and outer.
So next is the safety features. So MAN B&W MEGI engine is equipped with additional safety system that ensures safe operation on gas without requiring rupture disc in the scavenge air receiver, the exhaust gas receiver, and the exhaust gas piping. So under normal operation where no malfunctioning of the fuel oil valve is found, the gas valve is open at the correct crank angle position and gas is then injected. So the gas is supplied directly into an ongoing combustion. Consequently, the risk having unburned gas that might slip past the piston ring and into the scavenge air receiver is considered to be unlikely. So monitoring of the scavenge air receiver pressure and the combustion condition also safeguards against such a situation.
So the new gas block system has the advantages, so such as reduced recoil, reduced wear on components, reduced carbon buildup, and eliminates the need to match the buffer weights to the gas system, and also an easy adjustment for an ammunition changes used in the suppressor and the component weights without having any by replacement parts. So those are the advantages of the new gas.
Benefits of MAN BMW MEGI engine. It reduces CO2, NOx, and SOx and particulate emissions when operating in gas mode. Can operate in conjunction with a waste heat recovery system. Maintenance of both GI and gas supply systems can be done by the crew or prime services. Optimal engine layout and operation profile coordinated with gas fuel equipment suppliers. Able to meet Tier 3 when combined with the EGR system, exhaust gases recirculation of the SSR system.
So introducing the upgraded MAN B&W MEGI. So two-stroke dual fuel engine, and these are the new MAN B&W MEGI MK2 engine, dual fuel gas optimized engine. Next is the simplified piping system. So next is new gas block, next cutout, pilot oil injection system, and MAN pump vaporizer unit. So in these parts, we are going to explain and show the picture. So MAN B&W MEGI engine dual fuel gas optimized engine. So in that picture, it has optimized engine obtain the considerable reduction of fuel consumption in gas mode by means of dual fuel gas optimization, like dedicated performance. And this turning will be standard for the 70, 80, 90, and 95 bore version. So the upgraded MAN B&W MEGI, the two-stroke dual fuel LNG engine, it improves one of the industry's most trusted platforms. So it is also to deliver the even greater operational and also efficiency for large merchant marine vessels. The additional is that the new engine builds upon many of the features that made the MEGI one of the most trusted names in dual fuel engine design. So it simplified design, the exceptionally low methane slip, and also the key component upgrades improve reliability, because it is proving that providing a large degree of flexibility for meeting emissions and regulations.
So the next one is the simplified piping system. So simplified installation is achieved by consequent removal of purge and blow-off valve and the integration of sealing and hydraulic activation oil pipes in the cylinder cover. So the gas change pipes of the Mark 1 version are replaced by a two-way flow system for the gas. And nitrogen purging also is function is enabled through a newly developed on engine mounted nitrogen block. At the same time, the gas accumulator design has been further optimized to achieve a more compact solution with fewer components, so for the piping system. So this also caused the maintenance be lowered.
And the new gas block has a brand new features for two-stroke dual fuel engines. The new MAN B&W MEGI Mark II gas block design with improved window valves involves cutout of single cylinders operating on gas while allowing the continue of operation on fuel oil. So that is the main purpose of the new gas block.
I will discuss the upgraded of MEGI, which is the cutout feature also makes it possible to cut out a misfying cylinder in case, and for example, failures on combustion chamber components still operating the remaining cylinders on gas, which will further improve the gas availability for MEGI engines.
How do dual fuel engine works? So in gas-run dual fuel applications, gas is injected into the engine via the inlet manifold. So in order to ignite the gas ignition injector injects a small quantity of diesel or marine diesel oil into the compressed gas air mixture without the need or the assistance for an electrical spark ignition. So when liquid fuels are used, the gas ignition injector is also used specifically to optimize the combustion sequence. So the nozzle configuration is selected to match the delivery rate, spray form, and injection pressure.
So the last one is the MAN pump vaporizer unit. So the MAN pump vaporizer unit is a standardized cost-efficient solution designed specifically for the MEGI engines. So it features embedded redundancy 3 times 50% and integration with the MEGI engine control system and friendly user interface. So the highly compact design reduces the unit's footprints and its weight.